Hey everyone, Brandon here. So today we're going to do a little different video from what I usually do back at the computer instead of the other room, but it's because of this video here that Samsung posted 2 days ago. So they posted this 15-second clip, and it pretty much tells you what's going to happen with the Samsung S series. So let's go ahead and watch the full thing, and then I'll pause it and we'll see two important parts of this video that they really throw out there. So let's play it. So let's watch it again. I think the important part's around 8 seconds. Yeah, right here. So as you can see, on the right side we have a square looking phone, and on the left side we have a more rounded off phone. So the important part of this is we know what's going to happen. I mean, it's pretty explanatory what's happening. So over here, this looks like a Note phone to me. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like a Galaxy Note, and this looks like, you know, regular Galaxy S series. And I think I know exactly what's going to happen because it's pretty simple. They're going to mesh these two phones together because you can see it right here, and they're going to throw them all in one because with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, guess what you had a freebie chance to get? You could get an S Pen, and with it you had a case. So I think Samsung's like, we're going to test this out, see how people react to it, and we're going to decide if we're going to do this, because last year they didn't have a Note series. They said the chips were on a shortage, which, I mean, everything is on a shortage right now. So I think it's a great idea that they're merging these two phones together. Now, what will the price be? I'm not sure. Hopefully it's still around that, you know, $1,100-$1,200 for the Ultra, because if I remember correctly, for the other S series phones, the Plus and just the regular S series, you could not use this pen. This pen was only available for the Ultra, and I think that's what's going to happen here. Is the Ultra is going to get an integrated pen, and they're just going to get rid of the Note series altogether. They're going to integrate it to the S series, and then everyone's going to be happy, because I know a lot of people were bummed about the Note not coming out last year. So that's my input. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think they're going to integrate a pen into the S22 Ultra, or do you think something else is happening here? Because that's my thoughts. Anyways, hope you guys take care. Hope you enjoy this little video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed, because I cannot wait until I can get my hands on an S22 Ultra, and let's get another series started. So anyways, guys, take care. Hope you're doing well, and bye-bye.